And welcome to this video. So this video will be today I have the day off, so I wanted to show you guys, and it's during the week. I usually do get the weekends off sometimes I work, but sometimes I get the weekends off. But today's a weekday and I want to show you guys what I did for my shop today. So I am having 4 dogs. I have 4s. I'm not gonna take them today's off. And I also will be continuing to work on a new project. These are baby milestones. They're so cute. Baby milestones on acrylic, and they're hand painted on the back. And I put this on there. It says 6 months. I think it's backwards for you guys because I'm using my phone. So I'm done. Blue one. This is just to test the method as well as test the colors. So gray. Which one was that? 9 months. And they're 4 inches. And I really like this acrylic because it's very thick. And then the pink ones I kind of messed up because I didn't. It's a bunch of spaces. I don't know if you can see them on camera. And then I want to work on one more ornaments, or one more color for the acrylics, and then a ornament. So like these aren't even the ones that I'm gonna take pictures of. This is just to test around because I want to be able to do it a couple times before I offer it and before I do someone's order. So and then the next set that I do will be the ones that I take pictures for. Yeah. What else I need to do? Oh, maybe a cup design. I'm not sure, but you guys are welcome to join me today on my day off, working on my small business.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have.
So today, because I have the day off, I want to work on some of my descriptions and things like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just making sure I have, updated information and things like that. So I'm making my first Pride cup. So I'm using all these colors, and so it doesn't use a lot of the colors, but it uses all of these colors. I'm so excited to make my first Pride cup. This is for a local order, so I'm working on that on my day off. I finished the cup and I'm so excited. This took me forever, because each individual of these are cut out, but I really do love the way that it turned out. So yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do next, but I'm gonna figure it out. I just wanted to give you guys an update on my first Pride cup. So this is how it turned out. So I finished 2 ornaments, the acrylic ornaments. So they look like this. I'm gonna do 3. I want like 4 different styles, and I can always do customs, but just 3 or 4 for right now. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. Today I had the day off and I worked on my shop a lot. I made a new cup, also a order, and I dropped some packages off. I did a little bit of working on my descriptions. I mean my titles. What else I do? Yeah, what else? I don't know. I worked on my ornaments. I did not work on the baby milestones. I didn't paint anymore, but I need some more paint brushes, and I want to seal it with a matte finish instead of a glossy finish. So get that stuff from Amazon and then work on that the next set, so that I can take pictures of it. Also ordered another set and it got stolen, so I don't know. Amazon said they delivered it to a resident and I was here. They did not, so gotta go figure that out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope that this was great motivation for you guys, just to see what it looks like when I'm off my regular 9 to 5 during a weekday, what I like to get done, which is crafting stuff. I got 2 orders today. I felt real fancy today. I'm really excited about the holiday season. Back to school, fall holiday season is really what business world was telling me that I should be thinking about. Even though back to school, like I don't have any cups per se back to school. I might do one next week, I don't know. But even so, like the Pride cup, I'm gonna leave it up on my shop. It could sell at any time, so I'm not gonna just take it down because Pride month is over or anything like that. This is my recording thing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Bye guys.